nothing.
Shall I try and put my bag in it?
Oh. Al, you wouldn't even have the guts to do that.
Oh, do you want a bet? Go on.
Al, you don't have the guts to chuck it in.
No, that's slime.
Exactly, you don't have the guts.
No, that's slime.
Yeah, you don't have the guts.
Shut up.
It's so cool. Oh, nice one.
You must be scared to lay it out.
Whoa.
I need to get in, yeah.
I know.
Actually, good.
Keep. Oh, he's got this.